day and today only we're letting whoever had the worst day into heaven. Tell me about the day you passed, sir.
Sir, my day was awful. I just knew my wife was cheating on me, so I decided to come home early from work to catch her and him in the act. I searched our 25th floor apartment over, and I saw him hanging out on the balcony with his fingertips on the ledge. So I got my hammer and I smashed his hands up good. He fell, but he landed in some bushes. So I got my freezer and pushed it over on top of him, killing him stone dead. But as I got the freezer, I had a heart attack, and that's how I ended up here, sir.
You can go in. Tell me about the day you passed, sir.
Well, sir, I was on the balcony of my 26th floor apartment, exercising, when all of a sudden I tripped and fell. I was able to grab the floor below me on their balcony. Some idiot come and smashed my hands while I was holding on for my life. I landed in some bushes, but the fool pushed a freezer over on top of me and he killed me stone dead.
That sounds like a really bad day. You can go in. Tell me about the day you passed, sir.
Well, sir, imagine this. I'm naked in a freezer.